YouTube has actually been a very great source of income for myself and many other creators, but then many are still asking how they can actually get started on the platform and how to also scale. Because sometimes it could actually be very difficult and also look as a very hard task to really get started with YouTube and scale. Here, I want to share with you guys the 3 simple secrets that has really helped me to achieve this much success with YouTube, grow very fast on the platform, and also monetize and earn over $100,000 in this particular space. If you're still confused on how you can actually get started on YouTube and you're thinking of how other creators do this and how you can also get started, and then in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the 3 most important things that has actually helped me to not only grow fast on the YouTube platform but as well stay very consistent. Now, these 3 factors are factors that are very peculiar to just me myself, and every other creator might actually have different reasons behind why they've been able to grow and why they are still consistent with creating content. Now, YouTube on its own is a social media channel where you basically create content in form of videos, and you're able to put out this content and get people who would watch, who would learn from this content, and who will be informed from the content you share. Now, there are several reasons why people actually create their own YouTube channels, but I would say for myself, these 3 major things are: 1, to document my process. With everything I know to date, I felt that it's very important to actually document every of my processes, and I saw YouTube as a platform that would allow me to be able to, keep tab of everything I'm doing and help me remind myself of the journey so far and also remind myself of where I'm going to. And with documenting my processes, it has also opened my eyes that this formed the basis of the next step, which is sharing what I know. Now, as a young entrepreneur who has been able to make a few successes living in Nigeria, I understand how difficult it can actually be in this particular space. And I saw YouTube as a platform that was going to help me to share all I know and share all I am doing that is helping me to achieve successes and also helping me make money in this particular space. And because of this, I have been able to help several people to start getting results in their own niche. Now, I can actually check mark and say, yes, I was able to share my knowledge and I've been able to help people to get super results in different niches. And the third one here is discipline. I actually found that one of what has kept me going on YouTube and kept me to continue sharing what I actually do here is simply discipline. The fact that I understand that I need to stay in a strict mode of work and consistently do something over time, whether I like to do it or not, and just put out this content has actually been one of those motivating factor for myself. And even on days when I do not feel like sharing content at all, I still would share this content. Now, these 3 are what has been keeping me going. For you, becoming a content creator might be based on several other reasons, and it is very important that you're able to figure out why you are looking at getting started as a content creator on YouTube and what is in it for you as well. Because beyond making money from this particular space, there are still other things that need to keep you going. But then, guys, I want to share with you guys how you can actually get started and scale fast on YouTube, share with you all of my secrets and everything I've actually been able to put together to help me to achieve massive growth in this particular space and also monetize and create over 5 income streams for myself in this particular space. Now, what I've simply done is to put up a program together, which I call the YouTube Accelerator program, where I would walk you through everything you need to know from scratch. Understanding how YouTube works, understanding what it takes to be a creator, understanding how to get started, what you need, and also how to scale on the platform, and most especially how to make money super fast in this particular space. And yes, people have actually asked about this over and over again. Franklin, I want to know your secrets. I want to know how you've been able to scale. I want to know what you're doing. I want to know so many questions. And I've not really been open to this, and that is why basically I've been sharing out a series of free content that would help people to scale. And with this content I actually share, you can see that I have a testimonial already where someone like this is already making $500 consistently on his own YouTube platform that he has started up. Now, how much more when you actually take a deep dive with me and you allow me to coach you and walk you through everything that would help you to start and scale your own YouTube channel and monetize it. Now, in this particular program, you're going to be learning several things. You can actually see the full outline here on the screen, and this is something that will work for you if you're a stay-at-home mom or dad or a student, or basically anybody looking to start up a side hustle that would start fetching them cash in the nearest future. Whether you just have a simple smartphone and you're looking at how you can use your smartphone to make money, this is going to work for you. YouTube is a platform that houses anybody with anything you have. Just be ready to actually put out the content out there and you would start getting results. And even if you're so camera shy and you don't want to show your face, I would also show you how to actually start creating faceless YouTube channels that would start earning you money consistently in this particular space. Now, this particular program right now, I won't say it's free, no, because I'm going to be dedicating most of my time and making sure that this will be able to scale up to earning $500 consistently every other month. And because of this, I've pegged this particular program at a particular investment, but then below what it is worth. But because you are seeing this particular video today and you're going to be one of the very first people to jump on this particular program, you're going to be getting this at 80% off, and 80% off of this is you're getting it at just 15,000 naira. So what you want to do right now is to go ahead and smash the first link you see in the description of this particular video, and once you do that, you're going to get access to this program where you can make payment and join this coaching program. Yes, now this is for only people who are serious to get started with. Now this is for those people who are serious about becoming a content creator and are ready to create a channel that they are able to monetize and also able to create multiple streams of income from. And if you're not one of them, please do not even jump in, because I don't want any unserious fellow in my community. Now, if you see yourself as those who are serious and determined to actually start getting super results, then go ahead right now and click the first link down in the description section below and get access to this particular program. Yeah, get access to it right away and be one of the first to get this discount. Now, this discount won't be available for long. No, it won't be available for long. So depending on when you're seeing this video, if you're seeing it right now, you can get access to this. But if you're seeing this at a later time, this discount might be off, but then the link is still there for you to access this program. Access it right now, because the value you're getting from here would not even be able to be measured to the investment that you're going to be making to get access to everything you're going to be learning with me in this particular space. Yes, there's a lot of opportunities for you guys in this particular space, and I welcome you to join my program. See you on the other side.